Today I'm going to be showing you an altcoin gem which has amazing potential. Let's get into it. What's up guys, my name is Aaron and welcome to Get Crypto. Hope all of you are doing well out there. So if you're new to the channel, we are a crypto reviewing channel. So we review different crypto coins and the mission is to find altcoin gems which are going to do really well in the next bull run. So this is why I'm here to review them for you. So if you like that, subscribe. But let's not keep you waiting any longer to know what this coin is. The coin is called PIP. Now, let me get into it. So here we are, the coin is called PIP and it's currently ranked 782. Nobody is talking about this coin, right? And it is on a price of 22 cents. Currently has a market cap of 19 million. So we're looking at a low cap gem here. Hasn't had a lot of money pumped into it or anything like that yet. But you know, is it a good project? That's what you probably want to know, right? And as you can see, it only came out in March, beginning of March. So, you know, this is very early on, only 2 months in, and it's gradually growing in price, right? And since then, it's gone up by 86%. So yeah, very early to the game if you was to get into this coin. So, but let's actually look at how good of a coin it might be. So here you go, PIP. And it is shaping the future of payments, a fully integrated suite of Web3 payment products. So at the moment it sounds generic, right? But let me get into the real nice juicy bits. Here you go, invested by Coinbase, incubated by Binance. So you got Coinbase and Binance into this project. So what is it? And here you go, you get into the gist of it. Social Pay. So built for social payments, send and receive money for your favorite social media platforms. Okay. So very, very cool, right? So as you can see from here, how you'll be able to send money inside of Twitter. And it integrates into all these different platforms. So Facebook, GitHub, Twitter, Discord, all of them, right? So this is really, really cool tool. And this is what could make crypto go mainstream, right? So get paid instantly, direct to your wallet, and links to your wallet as well. And look, one of the greatest parts about this is no code payments for everyone. So literally you don't need to even have code to implement this. Really cool. Pay button allows anyone to embed crypto payments into their website. You can just straight away just add this into your site, right? Really, really good. The new Web3 identity. So pim.me is the easiest way to build your link in the bio, designed for payments, and it's free. Okay, and that's really good. So you literally have your own way of making money through this. So display your links, social profiles and NFTs, collect payments and monetize the content that you put up. Instant payments because it's using crypto, right? And yeah, look, a really easy way to do it as it's displayed here. So literally you would get your currency, put the amount and then put a message and then there you go, you're done. There's some other stuff I'd love to point out. So for example, you've got the Chrome extension. So if you go on this, you actually have a Chrome extension and it links to that. So this would be really, really easy to integrate when it comes to payments into any social media. All you'd have to do is go to social media and you can start using it. Also, some really cool stuff with the pay button. So obviously not having to code, we love that. And then you can do multi-chain, so literally it's got all the different chains and you could do transactions with different chains or coins that you might have, right? And some really cool stuff, it's like integrated with Webflow, Shopify, Wix, so all these different website providers that if you're a web designer, it will be really easy to implement. So it's a great solution. So why do it if you were a developer? So 0 fees, no subscriptions, that is absolutely perfect, right? This is how you'd make crypto go mainstream. So after looking at this, there's some couple other different things that you should definitely pay attention to. So one thing I found really cool was invoicing. So get faster with crypto invoices. So it actually creates a crypto invoice for you, which is absolutely great. So if you are doing anything to do with business, then you're always going to need to provide an invoice. If you're ever in the UK anyway, that's how it works. So yeah, you'd have to provide an invoice and this is what could do it for you. So this is letting you now put crypto payments into businesses as well. Really, really cool. So here's the team, and we actually have a good team here, quite a diverse group here. And then yeah, we have like Jeff, who has 9 years experience in blockchain industry, really cool. And then Umit is 11 years experience as a product designer, and 7 years working in blockchain industry. So yeah, pretty cool. And yeah, it's great to see a team around here. So what do you think of that? Really cool project, isn't it? I mean, there's other projects out here trying to be like decentralized crypto, but this one is basically utilizing all of the other platforms already and then integrating crypto into it, right? All it takes is for it to pick up, right? And people start integrating it into their social networks. This would be a really quick way for them to do it. And obviously you've got Coinbase behind it, Binance, But yeah, now you've seen all the cool bits, let's actually look at how much we could get out of this coin if it was to do really well. Let's check it out. So obviously Pip currently been at market cap of 19 million. We can use this number to be able to project what we think it could go to. So for example, you know, how would we do that? Obviously social media in terms of crypto isn't the hugest or anything like that. But what if this becomes a trend, and what would the market cap need to be able to be, you know, significant? So something I've looked at with this is to do with data. Here we go. This is some information and stats that I have found. And the main ones we want to look at is this line right here. So the global social media market grew from 193 billion in 2022 to 231 billion. So there you go, 231 billion in 2023, which is us right now. And yeah, so we've got a benchmark of that. Obviously, we are not going to go and hit 231 billion. But what if we was to capture 1% of 231 billion? Okay, and you know, if we quickly calculate that, so what is that? So 231, and we're just going to divide that by 100, and then it gives us 1%. So there you go, 1% is 2,300,000,000. So we can, if we could get 1% of crypto payments going through this, then that could give us a great market cap, right? So what if we was to go into 2,300,000,000? Let's really quickly go back to Pip and see what we can get out of this. Okay, so we'll do 20 times by 115, and there you go. So there is 2,300,000,000. Okay, and so there you go, 115x. That is 115x potential. So what do you guys think of this? Do you think that this can 115x? I mean, it possibly can. I think it's got great partners behind it. The user case is absolutely amazing. This is something that would be really good. I think where it comes down, we've got a lot of pros, but there is some cons, I would say, right? The con is it's built on Solana, okay? And if you guys know what Solana is, they've had some issues recently because they was associated with FTX, and it being quite centralized, that's where a lot of the problems happen. So the trust issues from that might arise, and obviously you're trying to get the big players in the social media game to trust you to use the payment service. And yeah, and obviously Solana's had a lot of issues where it goes down in service for like a couple of days, things like that. And obviously for a payment service that isn't great. So yeah, I would say that's one issue. If for example they migrate to another chain, that would be absolutely amazing. Or if Solana obviously picks up and does really well and makes itself a bit more decentralized, that would be really good as well. Then I would say this project could absolutely go beast mode. But I think it is really good. It has great legs, but there is some things I would raise, okay? But what do you guys think? Do you think this project is absolutely amazing? I mean, I think it's really good. It's definitely going to go on my list, and I'll be looking at it to see if I want to accumulate this. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But if you like this coin and you want to see coins like this, then press that subscribe button. You can stay up to date with all the different coins we're looking at. And I will be revealing my portfolio at some point to you guys as well. So stay in the know and subscribe. If you like this coin, or even if you didn't like it, it doesn't matter. We've got another coin right here, which is absolute beast, and you will like that one, I'm pretty sure. But if I don't see you, I'll see you at the top. Bye.